We are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young P-Town, Mr. Kicks and Fits. We are back with another video. Yeah, as y'all see, I'm in the same drip. So I'm banging these videos out today. I'm off. You know, happy Veterans Day to all the vets out here, past and present. You know, yeah. So we're just banging these videos out on Veterans Day. So right here we got another pickup from Nike. You know, they're, like I said, we just gotta get rid of this Just Do It tape, Nike. That's all we gotta do, get rid of the Just Do It tape. Y'all listening, y'all putting stuff in regular boxes, just get rid of this tape and we all good. So this one hasn't been opened yet. As y'all see from the title, y'all already know what these are. So I'm gonna open it up for y'all right now and give y'all my opinion of them. Seen a lot of reviews on these, but yeah, I'm gonna give y'all my review. So let's hop right into it. And finally, Nike sends me my receipt. So yes, I finally got one of my receipts. Good job, Nike. All right, and the box. Y'all already know what these are. Personal pair. This box, the Fearless ones. So, as we seen, I don't have no quality control joint right there. But, as you see on the paper, it says, limits like fears are often just an illusion, all over it. So as you see, that's how it comes. This is nice presentation, and I love this box. This box is hard. And let's pull out the shoes. So, okay. So this shoe got a little bit of things on it. So we got this, and as y'all see, I don't know why none of my joints aren't on there, but I have them. But none of them are on the thing. So I don't know what that is about, Nike. So we got this, the Fear joint right here. Let's get the box out of the way, show y'all the shoes. So, okay. So I got a thread right here, I'm gonna show y'all. So there's like just a thread there. I could cut that off, that's not a big deal. As y'all see, patent leather throughout. Got this like inside a gel casing here, so it's not bad. It's not bad. These shoes aren't bad first look. Looking at them, they're not bad at all. You know, I'm gonna take the shoe tree out. Shoe tree 10, 10 and a half. That's what it should say. As y'all see in the inside, it says Fear. So, yeah, man. And then it has the little thing, limits like fears are often illusion. It has that all on it. Take this shoe tree out and do that. So, like right here on this patent leather, you probably could see it got a little marking right here. I could get that out, just gotta wipe it. It's not that big a deal. Then it has this on the hang tag. You know, got the black laces. So yeah, man, like this shoe right here, in my opinion, just like going off looks, I think they're good. I think they're decent. Like, I do like them. The woman's Fearless is shitting on this. Like, the woman's Fearless, man, I need them. So when those drop on Valentine's Day, I am going for them. You know, and if I get those, these might be out of here, because I don't need. I feel like my boy Bobby Sneaker World. Like, I agree with him. I don't need both of these, but if I get the women's Fearless, I will let these go. But I do like them. Like, I do like them. I like how they have that red and it contrasts to the North Carolina blue. So yeah, I do like that. As far as how I would rock these, I I probably would leave them with the black laces. Probably, like, I'm not sure. I would have to play around with it. But yeah, I mean, I know red. No, I definitely wouldn't do red, and I definitely wouldn't do blue. This white might be okay, but I'm thinking I might stick with the black. But yeah, this box is fire. I like the box. But I do like the shoe. I definitely think that it looks better in hand than it did in the pictures. Because I was like on the fence about it. I really went after them just to see if I could get them, and I was able to get them. So it was easy. This was an easy cop too. Easy cop on Nike. So yeah, like I like these. I like these a lot, but the women's one, in my opinion, is better. So we'll see. These might be up. These might be on the block. But as of right now, I'm definitely going to keep them, and I like them. So without further ado, that's going to conclude this video. So if y'all like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. And like I said, once I reach 500 subs, I will do a giveaway. You don't want to miss that. Come over to your boy, Mr. Kicks and Fits Young. Join my squad. And I produce pretty good content. So, check your boy out. So, like I said, that's going to conclude the video. And we out of here, guys. Peace.